equals in Ravencoin Cost Forecast 2022. We use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about RVN to break down the future development of the digital money. Ravencoin current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Ravencoin is 2 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,187,393 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, RVN has diminished by almost 3.8% as of now. Besides, Ravencoin has a circling supply of 11,907,968,088 RVN. Ravencoin exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin, Huobi Worldwide, and OKX. What is Ravencoin? Ravencoin is the computerized shared network that means to execute a utilization case explicit blockchain intended to proficiently deal with the exchange of resources starting with one party then on to the next. Ravencoin means to tackle the issue of resource move and exchanging over the blockchain. It is safeguarded by the force of decentralization and math. It utilizes a proof-of-work mining calculation called KAWPOW, which supplanted X16R and X16R v2. Ravencoin Value Expectation 2022. Ravencoin stands firm on the 122nd footing on CoinGecko at the present time. RVN Cost Expectation 2022 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time period. A flat channel or sideways pattern resembles a square-shaped design. It comprises of something like 4 agreement focuses. This is on the grounds that it needs somewhere around 2 lows to interface, as well as 2 highs. Even channels give an unmistakable and orderly method for exchanging by giving trade focuses. The more drawn out the even channel, the more grounded the leave development will be. There is oftentimes a cost on the channel after exit. The exit frequently happens at the 4th contact point on one of the flat channel's lines. Right now, Ravencoin is in the scope of 2 cents. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of RVN could arrive at the opposition levels of 3 cents, 7 cents, and 17 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of RVN might tumble to 1 cent. Ravencoin backing and opposition levels. The graph beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Ravencoin. The diagrams show that Ravencoin has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, RVN could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at 7 cents. In like manner, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Ravencoin could dive to nearly 1 cent, a negative sign. Ravencoin Value Expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Ravencoin is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of RVN lies underneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Ravencoin is displayed in the outline above. Eminently, Ravencoin cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. At present, RVN has entered a negative state. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of RVN whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength record of the RVN is 43.42. This implies that Ravencoin is almost in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of RVN might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Ravencoin Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Let us presently take a gander at the typical directional record of Ravencoin. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Ravencoin. At present, the ADX of RVN lies in the scope of 9.89610 and hence, it shows a frail pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the overall unpredictability record of Ravencoin. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of RVN lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Ravencoin is at 43.42, in this way affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of RVN with BTC, ETH. The underneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ravencoin. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of RVN is not at all like BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of RVN decreases. When the cost of BTC and ETH decreases, the cost of RVN increments. Ravencoin Value Forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Ravencoin could presumably accomplish 50 cents by 2023. Ravencoin Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Ravencoin could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, RVN could mobilize to hit 70 cents by 2024. Ravencoin value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Ravencoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, RVN would mobilize to hit 90 cents. Ravencoin value forecast 2026. On the off chance that Ravencoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, RVN would mobilize to hit $1. Ravencoin value expectation 2027. If Ravencoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, RVN would energize to hit $2. Ravencoin value forecast 2028. Ravencoin holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, RVN would hit $3 in 2028. Ravencoin value forecast 2029. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Ravencoin, it would observe significant spikes. RVN could hit $4 by 2029. Ravencoin value expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the essential consideration token ecosystem, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into RVN for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Ravencoin could hit $5 by 2030. And, with constant upgrades in the Ravencoin organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for RVN. Thus, the bullish value forecast of Ravencoin in 2022 is 7 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Ravencoin cost forecast for 2022 is 1 cent. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the fundamental consideration token environment, the exhibition of RVN would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of 28 cents very soon. However, it could likewise reach 30 cents assuming that the financial backers accept that RVN is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Ravencoin? Ravencoin is an Ethereum token that controls the Ravencoin convention, a computerized market producer that allows anybody to make or add liquidity to exchanging pools while acquiring adjustable exchanging charges. 2. Where could you at any point buy Ravencoin? Ravencoin has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin, Huobi Worldwide, and OKX. 3. Will Ravencoin come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the fundamental consideration token stage, RVN has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Ravencoin? On February 20, 2021, Ravencoin arrived at its new all-time high of 28 cents. 5. Is Ravencoin a wise interest in 2022? Ravencoin is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year, as per the kept accomplishments of fundamental consideration token in the beyond couple of months. RVN is viewed as a wise